With us as a commission, we don't declare a candidate unless we have got the results. And we shall do that. The registers are there. You will cross-check the registers when time comes to ensure that the names in the register are the actual. I want to thank you, ladies.
I'm happy I was the first one to be nominated today for the position of the District Woman Member of Parliament, Kisoro, as you know, as a country. And at this time, I really take this opportunity to thank our daughter, the late Honorable Sarah, for all the development initiatives she had started for Kisoro, and not only Kisoro, but the country and the region. And I feel I am the right candidate for this position. At this time, we need a leader who is tested. I've been a member of parliament. I've been working with the government. I've worked at all levels of government, actually, from the district. The people of Kisoro know. They have tested me. They know the capacity I have.
I've been a leader where I've been working. I've been into real estate where I train young generation on how to do sales and marketing in the real estate industry. So nina ekintu kyemanyi ekyokusobola okumandinga n'enkola leadership obulungi.
Kisoro neegomba nnyo okulaba nga naffe tufunye enguudo ennungi, tufunye amalwaliro amalungi, abakyala babonaabona nnyo nga bazaalira bagenda kuzaalira mu byalo, olwa transport, ambulances tulina ntono, omukyala okubeera ng'ali eri ewaabwe mu kyalo ng'erubuguli ng'eyo za Busanza agenda okwagala okutuuka Ekisoro mu ddwaliro. Ku lw'amalwaliro amatono waba wakulongoosebwa amalwaliro gaba matono. Ogenda osanga center hospitals eziriyo nga teziri mu theatre waba wakulongoosebwa nga yeetaaga okuddusa Ekisoro mu ddwaliro.